We are holding the first day of a 5-day workshop on the future of our program 123 I Can See, which is a 10-year child eye health program. It's divided into 3 phases, and right now we're in the middle of the second phase, so we're halfway through the program, and this is the right moment, after having achieved a lot of milestones, to look into the future, to see where do we stand, how do we want to get better, what are our overarching goals, what do we want to see in place as a legacy of the program 5 years from now, and what are the processes that we need to kick off now.
I think this is the best time to sit back, have reflections, and see how we are doing as a program.
This week is bringing together all the representatives of 4 countries where we're implementing the Child Eye Health Program 123 I Can See, and it's amazing to see everybody convene here in Uganda and see the good practices and learning from each other.
We owe our name as an organization to this program. Everything else that has evolved over the years within Light for the World has been because we started work in eye health, and therefore we can let anything slip out of our hands, but not eye health.